icon, she's a legend, and she is the moment. Now come on now.
So today I'm going to try to make a wig today. So I was going through our old bucket of hair. We keep old hair here instead of throwing it away. And I found some old bundles. Y'all, these bundles are very, very, very old. I want to say these bundles, I had these bundles since high school. Yeah, I'm going to show y'all a picture of how old this is. But yes, I should have showed y'all the before picture, but I did not. I should have did all of that because I already have washed the bundles. They were very, very stanky. Just a mess. But yeah. So I'm going to show y'all the stuff I picked up today. So picked up a wig cap. So yeah. Just picked up some nails and stuff like that. So I picked up some dyes. I picked up a Adore Sunrise Orange. This is orange. I'm trying to go for like a ginger orangey look. This is Cajun Spice. So I'm gonna try to do the watercolor dye thingy. I don't really know how to do it, but y'all, we gonna learn together on here, okay? And so y'all, I picked up me a closure, a lace part closure. This hair is not the same color, but it's fine because I'm going to be dyeing this hair anyway. So that's why. But yeah. Y'all, this is my first time doing all this. And I'm gonna tell y'all I don't know how to sew down no closure, so we're gonna probably have to glue it down. Okay. So got some more powder, BW2 powder, some shampoo. And then I got a big thing of 30 developer. So hopefully I'm doing all of this right, y'all. Pray I am. I want everything to turn out right because this is my first time doing this. But yeah, let's go ahead and get right into this.
take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile, another woman that can take your spotlight.